guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to be sharing this video with you guys. It's going to be a what's in my diaper bag. I actually was contacted by the company called Bo and Rattle, and they wanted to send me a bag, and so I went on the website because I will never do a collaboration or a review on products unless I like fully support them or if I feel comfortable giving my honest opinion. And it took like 2 seconds on their website to realize that this was a brand that I was going to love. Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing today. I transferred all of our diaper bag stuff into my Bo and Rattle bag. I'm so excited to show you guys. There will be a giveaway, so to enter the giveaway, I want you guys to comment on this video your children's names, and then if you are pregnant, then comment how far along you are and what you plan on naming your baby. And then also go and follow Bo and Rattle on Instagram and follow myself on Instagram as well, so you can enter to win a Bo and Rattle diaper bag of your choice. So let's get right into it. Her name is Kara or Kara. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. I've been in contact with her from the beginning. She is the designer herself, and she did send me like a little bit about the company and their story, or her story. So her mother actually passed away when she was 6 years old, so it was just her and her dad. Every bag is named after a woman that influenced her life after that. Okay, so she allowed me to pick out any bag that I wanted. So after browsing the site, the one I really wanted was actually out of stock. It must be really popular. So I picked out the Dede bag, which I think is just as beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Cute little tag says Bo and Rattle, our inspiration. Bo and Rattle is a unique Irish brand that creates beautiful designer bags and accessories crafted in the highest quality luxury materials. They are perfect for every stage of the exciting and emotional journey of starting a family. So really sweet. This is a brand that I am like extremely proud to stand behind, with her story and their mission of making like beautiful designer bags for moms. I just think that's so cool and inspiring. But it also has the care instructions on here, so really cool. But this is what the bag looks like. So it's brown, it's got some cross hatching detail in there and some really like cool detailing here. I love the gold hardware. That's one of their signature things. This is the back of the bag, nice and simple. Perfect little phone slot here. Can I just shout out to the phone slot here? It's got these 2 handle straps, and then it also has the big strap for your shoulder. Okay, so going into what the bag came with, I want to mention all of that stuff first. So one of the first things that was in the bag is this little like bottle holder, or bottle cooler I should call it. And then they send you this. I'm assuming this is for wipes. I think that's what it said. But really you could use it for something else as well. If you have like ointments and stuff that you don't want to spill out in your bag, you could always use it for that. Something else that I thought was really cool is the Bo and Rattle stroller hooks. So it's really cool. It tells you how to hook it to the stroller on the back, and I just think that's really nice that they include that. They kind of thought of everything, and I really love that. Also in there were these cards. So the Dede bag, and then it explains this elegant timeless bag is named after my charming great aunt Dede. So sweet. If it seems like I'm hurrying, it's because he's probably gonna wake up and scream. So going into what's in my diaper bag. So the first thing that I always have in my diaper bag is a muslin cloth. They're amazing. I don't go anywhere without them, or without at least one of them. And then because this bag is so humongous and you can literally fit your life in here, I actually have our carrier in here. But this is the Boppy carrier. I think it's called like the Comfort Fit or something. I will link it down below. The next thing in here, we just have a book. Obviously he's so little right now, but sometimes he does just like to look at the pictures and like the colors and stuff. And can I just show you guys the inside of this freaking bag? It like allows you to organize everything perfectly. It's so nice. So then the other thing that was included in the bag is their Bo and Rattle changing pad. So it's really easy to wipe down and everything, and it just kind of goes with the same color as the lining inside your bag. The next thing I have in here is just an extra outfit. You guys know that babies drool, spit up, blow out all the time. So you have to have at least one outfit. This one, I believe, it's just from Target. It came in like a pack of 3 or 4. Also in here, I have a little binky strap and then a little binky holder with a Mickey in it. He loves the mom binkies. Is that how you say it? M-A-M. He loves these things. We always have a backup. One of those. And then this is what I keep his wipes and diapers in. This was actually given to me by a friend, so if I can find it online, I will link it down below. It just has a little Velcro thing. You got your wipes over here, diapers over here. Okay, going into these side pockets. So first I have some Boogie Wipes. So these are made with natural saline, so it's nice to wipe their nose. He is always super mucousy, and those are nice to have. And then we also have some natural cleaning with baking soda. Safely cleans pacifiers, bottles, cups, and teething toys. So those are just kind of nice to have for his binkies because we drop them all the time. Side pocket, we have some snacks. So I just have a granola bar and then Annie's Bunny chocolate chip baked graham snacks. Graham snacks. And then I also have some extra breast pads. Is that what they're called? And then in the side pocket here, I have the Nourishing Lotion Original Burt's Bees. This stuff is so, so good. And then also in here, I have, these are actually cloth diapers, and really all it is like a small muslin cloth. Again, they're just really good for wiping up messes or spit up or anything like that. Always have some of those on hand. I actually have 2 of those in here. I also have a Burp Cloth. This one is, where is this from? This one's from Target, and I just love the print on it. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but just a good old Burp Cloth in there. These are great because you can roll them up really small and just kind of like tuck them in wherever. And then also in here I have a bib. We don't go anywhere without our bibs, so have one of those. Okay, and then over in the side pocket here we have some Honest hand sanitizing spray. This is in the lavender field scent. Honestly, smells so good. It's so refreshing, and it's really nice because it's just easy to spritz your hands after you change a dirty diaper. Also, we have some Dreft. Is that how you say this? Dreft? I don't know. But it's like a stain remover pen, which is amazing because you constantly have like milk and whatever else on your shirt spit up. And then I also have a Tide to Go pen. I have a thermometer just because it's nice to have this with you. You never know when they're gonna start kind of acting funny or something, and you always want to be able to check their temperature, so I have that in there. Also in here, you guys have probably heard me talk about this a few times. It is the Burt's Bees Diaper Rash Cream or ointment, and this stuff smells so, so good. It works really well on him, and we always have a tube of that hanging out. Okay, and then lastly in here we have the fragrance-free Baby Balm SPF 50, so just some sunscreen, baby sunscreen. It has really good ingredients in it, and it's just, you know, good to use on their skin, so highly recommend keeping a sunscreen in your diaper bag. This is what the inside of the bag looks like, and as you guys can see, there's a zipper pocket here, a really nice, pretty, easily cleanable lining. This whole thing unbuttons in here, guys, because this is truly easy to clean. Like, hello. This whole thing has all of our diaper bag stuff in there. It comes out and you just have a huge bag. Like, that is so smart. So you can clean it really easily, and then you can slide this right back in there. I think that's just another one of the things that sets this brand apart from so many diaper bag companies. The fact that they think of everything and making it easy for moms, that's like the most important part, and I just think it's really cool. But yeah, guys, that is absolutely it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing what is in our diaper bag. And again, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, then comment on this video, follow both of us on Instagram, and I will be posting an Instagram photo as well where you guys can double enter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so, so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.